Hey there, Crypto Knights. Welcome back to the channel. You won't believe what's about to happen in the crypto space this December. Over $5 billion worth of tokens are set to unlock. And if you're not ready for the potential impact on the market, now's the time to get in the know. Savvy traders are already gearing up for what could be one of the biggest profit opportunities in this bull run. So stick with me if you want to find out how you can cash in on this phenomenon. I'm about to break down why over $5 billion worth of tokens are unlocking in the next few weeks and what this means for your portfolio. So grab your seat. You won't want to miss this one. Let's dive right into it. Before we jump into the details, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What is a token unlock? Essentially, it's when tokens, initially locked up for a period, are released into circulation. Typically, the team or early investors hold a portion of the tokens, and they can't sell them right away. When these tokens unlock, they flood the market, and this can drastically impact the price, either causing it to spike or dip. So, why is December 2024 crucial? Well, approximately $5 billion worth of tokens are set to unlock from projects that are already making waves in the market. However, when we did our own research using Token Unlock's platform, we found that the unlocks activity for December 2024 to be around $3.59 billion. You can see popular tokens like Cardano, SUI, ZETA, Moonbeam, and XAI on the list. As these tokens are unlocked, they're going to shake up the market. And this doesn't just affect the price of those tokens, it impacts the entire ecosystem. It's why December's unlocks are so significant, especially for the current bull run. If you position yourself correctly, this could be your golden opportunity. Tokenomics.ai is a powerful tool that helps you gain insights on token unlocks, keep track of market emissions, and compare crypto allocations. And speaking of tokenomics, tokenomics with Tokay kind of has a nice ring to it as a show or podcast, doesn't it? I know, right?
Tell me what's going on. Tell me. At some point, success came, and without you knowing, you now forget who the source is,
Right.
and start to think, oh, two would add to four because I know that this is how it works.
Yeah.
Forgetting that.
That's right. And it applies to the crypto space. In moments of success, never let it make you feel you know it all to the point you neglect to research the tokenomics of a project before investing. So back to unlocking tokens. Let's break down why $5 billion, or $3.59 billion as the case may be, is such a big deal. In terms of the total market value, that's a huge amount to flood into circulation. When this happens, it could create short-term volatility, which can sometimes scare new investors. On the flip side, you can think of token unlocks as a payday for early investors and team members. But the key here is understanding that not all tokens will be affected the same way. Projects with strong fundamentals like Cardano, ADA, could actually see price increases, even if there are small dips at the start. As more of these tokens unlock, demand will likely rise due to their use cases, which is why tracking the timing of these unlocks is essential. Let's have a look at some of the major players stepping into the spotlight soon. Cardano will be releasing 18.53 million tokens worth about $18.72 million on December 11th. And on the same day, Aptos is set for a massive unlock of 11.31 million tokens worth over $132 million. StarkNet follows with a release of $39.94 million in tokens on December 15th. Arbitrum, a Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, has its own significant unlock of 92.65 million tokens on December 16th. And Echelon Prime will be releasing tokens worth over $10 million on December 17th. While some projects do well to recover after a major token unlock, other projects may fail to meet expectations, causing a dump in price. For instance, on March 13th, the ARB token recorded a high of $2.22. However, prices dropped to $1.84 on March 16th, when it unlocked 1.1 billion tokens worth $2.3 billion. And ever since, ARB's price has been on a downward trend. The live Arbitrum price today is now less than $1. So how can you tell which ones will perform well? Here's the strategy I'm using and what I recommend to you. First, track the unlock schedules. Don't just guess, be strategic. Next, you need to determine which projects have long-term potential and prepare for the inevitable short-term dips, knowing when to buy the dip and hold long-term. Then you need to ride the hype by understanding market sentiments. In some cases, anticipation can drive prices up before the token unlocks. If you're an active trader, that's how you'll know when to trade long or short, what to set your stop loss and take profit at, and build the ultimate exit strategy to win big. This isn't financial advice, it's a roadmap. And this bull run is all about momentum and understanding how to target the right projects with strong fundamentals for profits. If you want the complete guide on how to profit strategically during these token unlocks, that's where the ebook, Crypto Gold Rush, Secrets They Don't Want Newbies to Know, comes in. It doesn't just tell you about opportunities like this. It teaches you how to capitalize on them like a pro. From spotting hidden gems to timing your trades perfectly, it's packed with actionable strategies, real-world examples, and exclusive bonuses. You'll get access to elite crypto communities, a bull run cheat sheet, and an exclusive copy of the portfolio of one of the most renowned crypto experts for you to model your success after. Don't let this bull run pass you by. Unlock your potential and turn December's token unlock frenzy into your personal payday. It's Christmas, so the ebook is on sale for less than $5. Click the link below, grab your copy of Crypto Gold Rush, and join the ranks of profitable traders today. But if you comment Big Bag Energy, I'll send you the link to get the ebook with all the bonuses for free.
Bag 2, bag 3, that's a trilogy.